What is good, YouTube, man? It's the 𝐒𝐲𝐾 back here with another video, and today we got another banger for y'all, boy, man. We got another banger, man. So we on our way. We're gonna go on our way, and we're gonna take y'all on a trip with us, and the Scatpack is gonna get a brand new look, man. Y'all boy, let me know in the comment section of how y'all like the look. So yeah, man, back to what I was saying, man. Yeah, the Scat is gonna get a brand new look, so y'all boys stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, make sure y'all watch this video all the way out, man. We soon to be to 1K. We at like 20 subs away from being at 1K, so y'all boy, get us to 1K, man. We're gonna continue putting out these bangers for y'all boy, and yeah, man, so we're gonna take y'all right with us. Alright, man, so yeah, we got the striking style today. And this is my guy Robert, man, if you don't mind. Shout out your business.
That's it right there. Give us a call.
Alright. Y'all boy, give him boy a call, man. He did an amazing job with the Scat today. You know, we put on some stripes. So yeah, man, y'all boy, let me know in the comment section, 1 to 10, how y'all like the stripes, you know. Scat need a little wash, but we ain't gonna get a wash until a little week or whatnot. Yes sir, man. Had to bring y'all boy and show y'all boy this thing outside the light, outside the shop, cause this thing going crazy, man. This man take his time with it, man. Like, I saw the whole process of it, and that jump was crazy, man. But yeah, we got the stripes going all the way across the car, man. We got a Scat pulling up on me, man. I'm trying to record a video. What's up, man?
What size tires?
What size tires? That's 275, but it's just like a 20 by 11 inch rim. I'm about to put 305s on it. I just want to put the rims on it for real. I had some whack shit for real. Got the Scat over there pulling up on me, know what I'm saying, trying to record a video. But yeah, man, I got the rally stripes going around, going all over my car. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, the stripes to me, man, makes the car look even meaner, man. I know for sure, like, when I be getting over and stuff, like, it just, like, the appearance of the car just look crazy, y'all boy. Like, it's just crazy, you know. I got the tent, I got the wheels that go with it, you know what I'm saying. I got the worker bill. The only thing I gotta really change out for real is this one. I already got a diffuser, I already got a matte back diffuser and stuff like that. So after that, it just be a black and red car, and that's what I wanted for real. But yeah, dude was telling me he liked how my tire poked out in the back, like, you know what I'm saying. The Scat ready, man. Y'all boy, if y'all want to line them up for real, man, just let me know in the comment section. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, all jokes and games. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I want to show y'all boy how the stripes look outside the shop. Y'all boy, let me know in the comment section, you know, how the stripes look. You feel what I'm saying? yeah, man, let's get this video to 30 plus likes. You feel what I'm saying? I know y'all boy can get us to 30 plus likes, man. We've been averaging that the past couple of videos, and you know, like almost all our videos for real, man. Y'all boy support us, man. I appreciate that for real. We almost at our 1K, y'all. We almost at our 1K, man. I'm trying to tell you, after that 1K, we taking off. And yeah, I'm about to say this right now. At 1K subscribers, we just gonna do a little giveaway for y'all to show y'all appreciation and stuff like that. Show y'all boy, we really appreciate y'all boy rocking with us. So yeah, man, we just gonna do a giveaway. I'm not gonna mention what the giveaway is, but y'all boys stay tuned to the channel. And yeah, man, just wait your turn, and we got y'all boy, man. But yeah, let's get this video to 30 plus likes, man. Y'all already know what it is. It's the Hemi twins, and we out here.